Hi, hi everyone. I welcome to my basic English grammar classes. In this class, you are going to learn articles, right? Are you ready? Okay, let us start. The words a, an, and the belong to this group of words called determines, right? The words a, and the belong to this group of words called determines. Right? The word a and an are called indefinite articles. Articles are two kinds: definite article and indefinite article. The words a and an are called indefinite articles. Right? You see the examples. You can use them with singular nouns to talk about any single person or thing, right? So you can use them, you can use indefinite article with singular nouns to talk about any single person or thing. And also the article also used, the article is usually used before words beginning with vowels. So usually we use articles before the vowels, right? An article is used before words beginning with consonants. So a is used mean with before words beginning of a consonant sound. So an is used with vowel or vowel sound. A is used with consonant sound. Okay, right. Let us see. The word the is called the definite article. The word the is called the definite article. Use the before a noun when you are talking about a certain person or thing. In a particular person or a thing, we use before the noun. So you also use before a noun when there is only one. So we also use definite article like the before a noun when there is a only one, right? Let us see. And a the, see the examples. And a the, and a e I o u, right? A e I o u, right? A e I o u. So a u I o s are vowels. I already told you that. So there are 26 letters in English. It is commonly called alphabet. Out of these 26 letters, 5 letters are called vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. Right. See the examples. Apple, elephant, ink pot, orange, umbrella. Right? Apple, elephant, ink pot, orange, umbrella. These are all single nouns. Right? So use it and with single nouns. Okay? Right. An apple. Right? An apple. Elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Ink pot, right? An ink pot. An ink pot, right? Orange, an orange. An orange. Umbrella, an umbrella. An umbrella. Because these are all single nouns, right? You see the magic. You see an apple, an elephant, an ink pot, an orange, an umbrella, right? You see an apple A, in the elephant E, an ink pot I, an orange O, and umbrella U. A, E, I, O, U. Right? Right. And we also use indefinite article like an in the special characters like the silent letters we call. So we pronounce honest, an honest person, right? Not honest. Okay, an honest person. H is here as the silent word. No, H silent here. So we add an. We already discussed about we use an with vowel or vowel sound, right? Honest. The vowel letter is also there. So you never pronounce we never pronounce like honest, but honest. So that's why an honest, right? An honest. Hour, an hour, right? An hour. An honest, an hour, right? Abbreviations like, so we use an indefinite and abbreviations like MLA, MA, MLC, right? An MLA is an MLA of our taluk. Is an MLA of our taluk. So I am an MA in English. I am an MA in English, right? And so an MLC, right? An MLC, an MP, like this. You see. So we use article and abbreviations like MLA, NMA, NMLA, NMA, and MLC, and MP, like this. Okay, right? We see, yeah, examples with A. So A used with generally consonant sounds. You see? So general. So in general, we use consonant sounds. So in general, consonants. For example, you see a book, a flower, a tree, right? A book, a flower, a tree, right? So, and also we use it a article with first time. So when we use a noun for the first time, you use it a, right? This is a famous novel. You see, this is a famous novel, right? Right. Let us move on to the definite article the, right? The. So the is used with specific. We used the with specifically, and the second time. The second time, the girl is beautiful. You see, the girl is beautiful. The second time you use it the girl is beautiful, and with superlatives. For example, you see superlative. There are 3 degrees in English: a positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. And with the degrees we can use the highest, the best, the most. With this, for example, he is the best by a fall. He is the best by a fall, right? Right? It is the most. Hmm? She is the most beautiful girl, right? Like this: highest, lowest, the best, most, right? The toppest, right? The biggest, the leanest, like this. We can use with superlatives with definite article the, right? Okay. See, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you keep practicing and learning. Okay. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.